Hello everyone, it's Jake here with you today, and you're probably wondering why we're staring at a screen with pixelated pancakes. Well, you guessed right. PancakeSwap is what we're talking about today. I really want to talk about PancakeSwap. I want to look at the potential upside in the future, and I want to look at how you can, use this utility to your own benefit, and how you can also operate the Pancake website so you can start staking and provide liquidity to actually start, farming or just getting some yield in general. So, I mean, who doesn't want to farm money? This is like a giant money printer right here. This is unbelievable. But let's just jump right in to a bit of price history. So Pancake, I think, launched around must have been, was it October last year? I'm not 100% sure, to be honest, but it was towards the Q4 of 2020. And you can see if you got involved with this from the beginning, you're looking at tremendous gains, and I can't imagine how much money you could possibly have made if you put $500 in this position with the APR that you receive from staking, and if you did wait for the whole duration of like 8 weeks, you would have made a killing. Like, I think you'd be set for retirement. Honestly, this is unbelievable, and it's just one of those things where I just wish I knew about it earlier. But we always think this when we see something that was low in price and then it was, suddenly high. It's like, oh, why did I miss this? How did I not see this information? And we always wonder how in the future can we make sure that we see this. But anyway, I just want to jump in with the current live price action. We had a bit of a cup and handle play out over the last few days. We tested the resistance here from the previous all-time highs, but we failed. We're kind of consolidating now. We're not really moving anywhere. We're just playing around this region here. I still think we're going to come back up to this resistance level and potentially push through to all-time highs again. Otherwise, if we come back down to this support, I'll probably be buying a bit more Pancake, just to hedge against the position that I bought in. I bought in a little bit higher. I think I bought in around $16.1. So if we come down to 14 or even lower, I'll definitely be loading my bags up because this is just really exciting. And I must admit, it's a bit addicting when you're just sitting there watching your screen and you just see these digits just go up and up. There's just something about earning this virtual passive pancake thing that just feels so awesome, and it's so gimmicky. I can't believe it. It's just I just can't believe it exists. So anyhow, I think short term we'll be approaching new all-time high territory, $20 plus very soon. And if we look at the coin market cap, we can see this. It still has a very low market capital of just 1.7 billion. So that's really kind of good to see because looking at the tokenomics, we don't have a huge circulating supply, and it's a really low rank coin. We know that it has a strong network. There's lots of social media usage, great exposure, and I think this is just one that, yes, it's already had tremendous growth, but I think if you wait and hold with this one, it can still possibly go so much higher because I just think it needs a bit more. It's a real meme coin, but it does have a bit of a utility behind it. Um, PancakeSwap is actually a DEX, so it's on a decentralized exchange. It's an AMM, which is an automated market maker. So the price is kind of dictated by a mathematical algorithm, so to speak. And this is also run on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is what I want to show you guys. PancakeSwap being one of these AMMs, just like Uniswap, because it's a direct competitor to Uniswap. If we look here, we can see Uniswap has a 10 billion market cap. So let's say this does, surprise Uniswap and it starts tailing right behind. We're going to see a 5 times in price. So it's still possible to have a 500% increase from this very position right here within this bull run in particular. It's not out of the window. It's not unrealistic. So it's definitely possible. So let's just take a little look as well at the Google Trends right here. We can see a bit of an uptrend. People are still searching about this. So the term is working. People are talking about it. All it takes is one big giant meme pump, and yeah, it's going to be overvalued, but at least more people will know about this. That's all it will take. One big memester, one big influencer, and it's just going to fly. It's going to take off, just like Hoj and Doge. Like, I hate those coins, but I hope at least something good happens to this one because it is interesting. It is fun to use. It's actually like a money printer. It's unbelievable. Let's have a look at that little Twitter as well. So large follower base, 276k followers. Looks like they've got frequently posting. It's just very gimmicky. I mean, if I was an investor and I looked at this, I would think this is a load of bollocks. To be honest, look at it. it's it's just yeah, you couldn't take it seriously, and it does look like a complete scam. If you sat there in a pub and you were talking about staking pancakes on a virtual exchange, your friends would think you are out of this times. Like, there's just no way about it. Anyhow, let's have a look. So this is the Pancake website. It's quite exciting and colorful. You can see on the side here we have a trade tab where you can click onto exchange. And from this exchange tab, when we get there, any day now, oh, the Philippines, guys, I can't. It's not meant to be, is it? It's just not meant to be. Well, maybe I can just try and explain it to you without showing you. But what you would effectively do is connect your Binance wallet and your MetaMask, and then once you have done this, you'll go to Binance, you'll transfer BNB into your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Then from there, you'll put the BNB into the MetaMask. Then you'll go onto the Exchange tab on PancakeSwap. You'll go to Exchange, you'll put BNB, and you'll convert that in to pancakes. Then you have your pancake tokens. So what you can do from here is you can either go to liquidity and provide liquidity to the PancakeSwap network, and owning these tokens, the LP tokens, it's kind of almost like owning shares. So you'll be receiving a percentage of profits from the fees of the network usage. Um, so in terms of that, you can then use this pair. So let's say you have your pancake tokens, you want to farm them. So what you'll do is you'll provide liquidity for a pair of BNB and PancakeSwap at 50-50 ratio, and then you'll go to the farming tab, and I think there's an option there for like 85% APR. You can then stake your LP tokens that you'll receive from the BNB cake pair. But this is more risky because there is a chance of impermanent loss depending on the changes of the price. So for me, can I refresh this now? So for me, I'm just simply staking on the Pancake site. I am staking some pancakes. It's like 114% APR, and it's much less risky. And if the pancake does also go up in price, then that's fantastic. You're making even bigger gains. And what you can also do, I don't have a significant amount of cake here in the bunny, but this is unreal. 362% APR. So I have just got 47 cakes here, which is $800, and this is giving me about $100 of passive income every single month. We can see this pool provides reward of Pancake and also Bunny. So Bunny has got a value of around $186 at the moment. So you're getting 213% on your initial deposit. And we can see this is the amount I've already earned in like a day and a half. So that's around 187. This will be about probably around $4, about $4, which means in 30 days there's about $120 passive income. Now imagine you were started in this platform back when it was 50 cents. You could have 5,000 cake here so easily for what, $2,500. Imagine how much you would have farmed. So if you were in early in this gimmicky thing, you would be absolutely, you're bulling, you're done, you can quit, retire, just enjoy life. Like, this is your money printer. This is unbelievable because your position would have been so low. Even if the price has dropped 20% right now, it's not even going to matter anyway. Like, unbelievable, unbelievable potential gain. So that's that really. I just wanted to talk about PancakeSwap. Really exciting. Seems really gimmicky at first. Oh, here we are. But I might as well quickly show you now on the farms. So we have the Cake BNB pair. You can provide liquidity here, 84% APR. It's okay. There are other pairs here that have a much greater return, but I didn't want to do them. I don't really know much about the currencies, so I avoided that. But the pools is the best place to go. You can just simply go here, you approve your stake, and you can withdraw it whenever you want to. For example, if I tried to unstake my cake right now, it's going to ask my MetaMask wallet to confirm, and then it will use a very small gas fee, nothing like very small, like probably 5 cents, and then you can withdraw it back into your MetaMask wallet. So it's instantaneous. They're not holding your money. You can take it when you need to. You can chuck it back in your Binance wallet and then chuck it straight back into your Binance exchange. Put it to wherever you need to. You withdraw it to your bank. You do whatever you want with that. So it's really quick. It's versatile. It's efficient, and it's fun. So yeah, that's a bit of my opinion on a Pancake, and I think it's got a long way to go. So thank you guys for joining me on this video, and if you did like the content, once again, just slap a like, please hit subscribe, and if you want to hear more from me and not miss out on any information, just hit the notification bell and I'll be right with you. So yeah, thanks again guys, and take it easy.